The first way, Master Tao explained, is to set clear goals. Without a clear goal, you are like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly. Define what you want to achieve with as much detail as possible. This clarity will guide your actions and decisions. Next, Master Tao emphasized the importance of creating a plan. A goal without plan is just a wish. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and set deadlines for each. This will make the process less overwhelming and more available. The third way Master Tao continued is to develop a routine. Consistency is a key to building self-discipline. Establish a daily routine that aligns with your goals and stick to it. This routine will become a habit, and habits form the foundation of self-discipline. Master Tao then shared the fourth way: eliminate distractions. Identify the things that distract you from your goals and find ways to remove them from your environment. Whether turning off notifications on your phone or creating a dedicated workspace, reducing distraction will help you stay focused. The fifth way, he said, is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you stay present and aware of your actions. When you are mindful, you can recognize when you are veering off track and bring yourself back to focus. Meditation and deep breathing exercise can enhance your mindfulness. Master Tao spoke of the sixth way: hold yourself accountable. Accountability is crucial for self-discipline. Share your goals with someone you trust and ask them to check your progress. This external accountability will keep you motivated and on track. The seventh way he explained is to celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This positive reinforcement will boost your motivation and encourage you to keep going. Master Tao then highlighted the eighth way: learn from failures. Failures are part of journey to success. Instead of getting discouraged, view failures as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong and how you can improve. This resilience will strengthen your self-discipline. The ninth way he said is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Your physical health affects your mental strength. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a disciplined mind. Finally, Master Tao shared a 10th way: stay committed and patient. Building self-discipline. Sam listened intently, observing the wisdom of Master Tao. He realized that building self-discipline would require effort and perseverance, but he was determined to change his life. Months passed and Sam diligently applied the 10 ways Master Tao had taught him. He set clear goals, created a detailed plan, and established a routine. He eliminated distractions from his environment and practiced mindfulness through daily meditation. He held himself accountable by sharing his goals with a close friend and celebrating his small victories along the way. Whenever he encountered failures, Sam analyzed them, learned valuable lessons. He maintained a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly, eating nutritious meals, and getting enough rest. Above all, he stayed committed and patient, trusting that his effort would eventually pay off. One day, Sam returned to Master Tao, beaming with pride and confidence. "Master," he said, "I have followed your teachings and transformed my life. I have achieved more than I ever thought possible and owe it all the discipline I have built." Master Tao smiled warmly and said, "I am proud of you, Sam. Remember, self-discipline is a lifeline. Continue to apply these principles and you will achieve even greater heights." Sam thanked Master Tao and left with a heart full of gratitude and determination. He knew that he could accomplish anything he set his mind to with unbreakable self-discipline. Sam's story inspired others in the village, demonstrating that anyone could with unbreakable self-discipline and achieve their dreams with the right mindset and tools. Thank you for listening to this story. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember, self-discipline is the key to unlocking your true potential. Keep practicing these principles and you will see amazing results in your life. Until next time, you stay focused and stay disciplined. 10 powerful ways to build unbreakable self-discipline.